Well, hello, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. If this is your first time here and you love this content, click that subscribe button, turn on your bell ringer, and you should not be missing anything. So today we're going to be going over some of the things that we're going to be using for our DIY. So I did end up picking up the 60 count and the 80 count and also the 40 count of these pearls that you can get from the Dollar Tree. This is the spray paint that I'm going to be using. It's the Rust-Oleum Metallic. I know it's not the one I usually get. However, I'm going to use a top coat paint in order to get the look that I always have when I'm using spray paint in my tutorials. Now you can pick this up from the Dollar Tree. It's nothing but it's just 100% juice, everyone. You know, I'm not a drinker whatsoever. And like I said before, it's at the Dollar Tree. This is pretty small. However, I wanted to keep this budget friendly. You can use the taller one if you want to. This is going to be our showstopper, everyone. This, I'm telling you, is going to allow your design to really stand out and look beautiful for the overall look, everyone. Make sure you get the durable one with the top coat. It has to be the durable one. Your top coat is going to be very important. Right there in that iCard, I did not use a good top coat, okay? And it kind of came out to that look, and I really didn't like the overall look of my actual spray paint, okay? So make sure you do use the one that I mentioned before. If you want to go with the matte finish, you absolutely can if you want to have that matte look. However, if you want to go with more of a beautiful gloss look, you're going to get the ones I was talking about before. And this is how I am so sorry, my friends, forgive me. This is how it looks. I just truly played around with this, and this is what I came up with, my friends. So nice. Now this is going to be a different DIY from what we did in that tutorial. Don't worry about that little green part. We're going to handle all that. You see that this is a little bit more uniform than what we have done in the past, and don't worry about the top. We're not worried about that at all. We are going to handle that. So make sure that you get the durable top coat. I got mine from, I think, Home Depot or Lowe's. I am not sure. However, I do know that I got the spray paint from Amazon. So this is our focus. I will be going back over the material and also having it down below. Thank you all for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and Lord willing, I will see you in the next one. Blessings.